Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to download songs from SoundCloud to your computer. Let's get started. First, open SoundCloud and find the song you want to download. Once you've selected the song, copy its link. You can copy the URL from the address bar or click the share button and copy the song link from there. After that, open your browser and go to musicverter.com. Paste the SoundCloud song link into the download box and click the download button. Wait a few seconds while the website converts the song into an MP3 file. Once the conversion is complete, download the MP3 file to your computer. That's it! Your SoundCloud song has been successfully downloaded. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.